Hey folks, it's Vic here, and I first of all hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and got some time off, spend with family and friends and that kind of thing. And I just, as you know, I've taken this week off to be just with family and just have a week, a break from everything. But I still wandered down on my computer. It's just kind of something that I do. It's a bit of a habit, I guess. But as you know, we have this London closed trade webinar coming up. I'm relaunching the London closed trade strategy course. It's just an excellent way to trade for those that like that, short-term trading like this. And even during this past week, which is, will likely be, you got to expect it to be thinner liquidities and that kind of thing. The London closed trades have been setting up. There's just been a couple of the last few days, and this is today on December the 28th, 2022, as I'm recording it, on the Australia US dollar pair. And everything has to happen at support or resistance before we do any kind of trading. Doesn't matter for long-term, short-term, anything. This is a good level here. I really like it because it's the figure, 6,800. And that's significant. There's a lot of reaction usually around the figure. But you put that together with the fact that this range has been stretched. That's what this green line tells me. And we have qualifying conditions up around here. This is what happens. We hit this level of resistance and we have the qualifying conditions for London closed trade setup. And look at this move down. I mean, it needed actually less than a 10 pip risk, but I never give it less than 10 pips. And actually, all the way down to here, it's been a 6-to-1 reward risk trade. That's pretty sweet. Now, are you going to get that? Probably not. You're probably going to take a profit on the way down, depending on your trade management, protocols, how you like to take profit. There's lots of opportunity to take profit. This trade, just so you know, actually happened before the London closed trade setup that I'm going to be teaching. But I'm also showing how to take these trades before the London close, which is going to be really good for, people who can't be there at that particular time window for a London close trade. So if say you're in Australia or, other parts of the world where it's just not convenient to be because of the time zone that you live in, to be at your computer, then you can still take these trades. And this was actually, it actually hit the average daily range that I'm looking for here during London, and then went up, and then late London, early New York, it hit resistance, and then it set up everything in here, and this is the subsequent move down. I'm going to show you how to the criterion, the rules for taking these kind of trades. Okay, because you got to be very strict about how you take these. You just don't take them at any old place. And then that was the move down. And actually, yesterday there was another trade on the British pound US dollar. It was a 2-to-1 reward risk. Let me just show you that one here. Yeah, we'd come down to this level of, this is a 4-hour chart up here. You can see that's pretty good support. Pretty hard to argue with that, I think. And then on the hourly chart, look at this really, really good support in here. So what happened on our entry time frame is that price came down, and we had, let me just get back to, here it was back here. I put an arrow on there. Price had the range had been really stretched. Like, it started to ignore this green line. That's got nothing to do with this trade. But price had come all the way down from where it was earlier in the day up to here. Came all the way down. The range got overstretched, and this was the entry down here, and this was the move up. And it didn't amount. I mean, this came up and made a nice little 2-to-1 reward risk trade. Geez, nothing wrong with that. You can take those all day long, and then it just chopped around. This is rollover here, so you sure don't want to be on a short-term trade during rollover. But yeah, just to show you that these, London close trades never took any holidays. They've been setting up, and I'm going to explain everything. All of the things around the London close and what you need to know and everything in the webinar on January the 16th. So just make sure that you register for it, or hopefully attend, and then you can ask me questions directly. But yeah, even if you can't attend, just register for it. There's a link in the text below this video or in the email that you received, and I'll send you the recording afterwards. It gets sent out automatically, so make sure that you register. Otherwise, you don't get the recording, right? So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you those little gems that just popped up for us, a little late Christmas gift. So I'll just take this opportunity to thank all of you so much, especially those who have entrusted us with your with your time and your money to come and be members of our service. We really appreciate it, and we are really committed to doing our utmost to help you reach all your trading goals. And so thank you so much. We just can't tell you how much we appreciate you being part of the community. And for those that are not, to you too, thanks for listening into these videos. We really appreciate it. Maybe you want to become a member at some point. Whatever works for you, we're here, and we'd love to help you. And beyond that, we just would like to all wish you, on behalf of myself, Darko, Forex Mentor, a very, very healthy, happy 2023. And we'll be in touch with more of these videos. Make sure that you hit the like button if you like these kind of videos, and also subscribe to our channel. And then whenever we put out a video, you'll get notified. Thanks so much, everyone. See you next year, 2023. Take care.